I used to think some evil spirits were dragging my money every time I received my paycheck, because I'll receive my paycheck in less than a week, I'm broke again. So, have you ever wondered why your paycheck seems like it's disappearing just 1 or 2 days after you receive it? I have been there. Let me break it down for you. Number one, lifestyle. Every time you have an increase in money or increase in pay, increase in salary, your lifestyle automatically upgrades. That is a big problem. I realized I was in that trap where every time I have money, I just think of the next thing I want to buy. And every time I have an extra income, my lifestyle automatically upgrade. So at the end of the day, I end up living beyond my means, spending more than what I am capable of spending. So that's one of the biggest reasons why I continuously stayed broke. Number two, money leaks. This is a big one that harms most of us, but we just don't pay attention to. Things like subscriptions you forgot about, takeouts, that is $5 here, $10 there. At the end of the day, these things eat up your budget. You just don't notice. And do you know what I did about this? I had to find time, sit down and go through all of my bank statement, my expenses, and I was able to catch all these things. I had to disconnect them right away. Do you know that in my house right now, the only subscription that I do have is my phone bill and my internet? All of everything else, especially when it comes to TV, I don't have all those things, because first of all, putting all these subscriptions on your TV means that you will have to stay there to consume the TV, and that's a way of eating up your time. Watching TV eats up your time, and then you pay for your time being eaten up. So I realized that, and in the first place, I'm not a TV person, so why should I continue to pay this kind of money? I disconnected everything, and it didn't only save me money, it gave me my time back that I can put in more productive things, you see. So and then I also identified one app that really helped me to track everything in one place. It's called Rocket Money. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion or anything, just that I've been using it and I find a lot of value on it. So check it out and try it. You may. Number three, not having a plan or not having a budget. Let me tell you, if you don't assign your money to go somewhere, your money will go anywhere, and most of the time it just goes through the window. You will never be able to account for it. You don't know how the money is going, and that's why for me, I started thinking maybe my village people or the evil spirits were dragging my money which were just really poor money habits. So for this one, I started budgeting. Again, if you want my budgeting template, feel free to leave a comment down below and just say budget. If you are watching this on YouTube, even if you leave a comment, I don't have your contact information. I will not be able to reach out to you. So what you would do instead, find our contact information, our phone number and email. It's on the description box. Leave us a message and I will be happy to send you the template. Yeah, so these are just some of the 3 things that I did. Now, here is the truth. Broke most of the time isn't really about how much you make. It's mostly about how well you manage what you make. So if you're ready to learn healthy money habits and start building wealth the right way, drop the word invest down below and I will reach out. Again, if you're on YouTube, even if you drop the word, it will be challenging for me to reach out to you. So go ahead and drop the word, but still leave us a message, our email, or text us and leave that word invest, and I'll connect with you. Let's start coming up with a plan together. Thank you. This is Coach Karen, your business agility, AI, and career coach, now educating people on how to save smart, invest confidently, and build wealth that will last for a long time. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.